Hi, see this mess right here? So the question is there any way to remove this amount of typing? Because this is just from one paragraph. Can you imagine one big HTML page and you need to style it using all this? Well, it will turn into nightmare pretty much. So let's use CSS One-Liners. What that means? That means that with one line you will define 4 properties, 4 values. Let's remove everything, and first we will start styling our borders style. How to do that? Just type this, border style, and that's it. Now what? If you type solid, what will happen? We have one solid for line border for all 4 sides. But if you go and specify, for example, dashed, then what will happen on same line? See, now we have different borders. So what is the rule? The rule is that see this top one, that's the place where you will start to change your borders and every other properties. That will be starting point clockwise. So this is starting point, and we will go clockwise. Just be patient a little bit. And patient, is that correct term? Have patience. Yeah, have patience. So you will understand this really quickly. Solid, dashed, dotted, and double. Okay, you can have 4 values on same line. And check this out. See this result? So what is the point of the story? Solid, the first value goes to top. Okay, this is 12 o'clock or 0 ground, 0 position. Think about that as clock, 12 o'clock, and we will go clockwise. So dashed, this is right one, 3 o'clock. Dotted is bottom one, 6 o'clock, and double is right here, 9 o'clock. So on same line, using clockwise approach, starting from here, from 0 ground or 12 o'clock, we can define 4 things on the same line. Absolutely same situation with widths and colors. So let's go using same analogy. Border, width, and for top one will be, I don't know, 5 pixels, and then for right one will be 10 pixels, for bottom one let it be 30, and for left one 70 pixels. It will be ugly, but it's not important. It's important that you understand. Check this out. Okay, oh, it's really ugly. Let's revert to 40, for example. Ugly as hell. So what's the moral of the story? The absolutely same analogy in all 3 cases. And now we will define third case, and we'll mess around with colors. So border, color. For top one, solid one with 5 pixels will be red. And for this one, right one, dashed, which is 10 pixel, it will be blue. For bottom one, which is dotted, 30 pixels, let it be, I don't know, yellow. And for left one, double, see, double, 40 pixels, the biggest one will be orange red. Okay, so let's close statement, and when we refresh our page, bang, we have result. So it is really simple thing to understand. Just start from 12 o'clock, then 3 o'clock, then 6, then 9, clockwise. So 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. Really simple stuff, and you will save a lot of time. So what is advice? The advice is, if you are defining in this way, then use 4 values. Sorry, because if you use 2 values or 3 values, you can easily make some kind of error. For example, if you use red and blue, the result will be what? So red will be for top and bottom, and blue will be for left and right. If you introduce another color, third one, for example yellow, what will be the result? See? So it's not, I mean, it's correct, but it's not mentally consistent, if I may use this term. So just use or one or all 4. That's my advice, because I don't want to just waste my time correcting errors. So red, blue, yellow, and I don't know, light green. Yeah, pretty much simple stuff. So you have learned how to save time, which is one of the most important things in a life generally. To save time, even if you need to pay money. The rich people do have time because they are paying with money. The time is actually the only thing that you can get back, even if you become billionaire. So the time is most important thing in a life, well, at least for me. So thank you for watching, and see you next tutorial.